As I read my Quran, I found myself wondering why at this moment in time are so many Americans reading the Quran for the first time. And most of us were inspired by the Palestinian people and their faith. And we wanted to understand just a little bit of their faith. But I also think that the time is ripe for a change. America's in a bad place. You know, housing prices are out of control, insurance prices, food prices, people are homeless, jobs are scarce and poorly paid, and every day is a struggle for so many people. And election after election, we pin our hopes on our leaders to make the changes they promise they'll make, and they don't make them. What we're doing in the country that I will not mention is not normal. It's not sane. It's abominable. And I think a lot of people feel such a sense of instability today. Like, what do we rely upon? And when you read the Quran, you realize you can rely on Allah, you can rely on the word of the Quran, you can rely on an afterlife for justice. You can't rely on this world, the things of this world, to give you peace. After Biden was elected, I think there was this sense that maybe we can have a sense of normalcy now. But, I mean, Trump will punch you in the face and laugh about it, but Biden will stab you in the back and then tell you he didn't do it. So that's not much of a choice. And I realized that I was wrong all along to think that I could ever find peace from this world.